Well, today the state has rested its case against Adam Fravel in his murder trial for the death of Maddie Kingsbury, the mother of his kids. KARE 11's Lou Raguse explains the evidence the jury saw and what comes next.
Now that the state has rested its case against Adam Fravel, the big question that remains is whether he will take the stand and testify in his own defense. Fravel is charged with second-degree intentional murder, first-degree premeditated murder, and first-degree murder with a pattern of domestic abuse. Maddie Kingsbury disappeared on March 31, 2023, and was missing for more than 2 months before her body was found wrapped in a bedsheet with a towel tied around her face. A forensic expert testified that Fravel's DNA was on the towel. During the 11 days of testimony, several of Maddie's family members and friends shared stories about abuse that they either witnessed or heard about. Then a domestic abuse expert testified about why victims don't always report it or leave the relationship. The jury heard testimony that Maddie finally was leaving Fravel and was looking for a new place to live with her kids. Prosecutors said that would have resulted in Fravel losing his financial dependency on Maddie, and with her death, he would have access to a life insurance payout that went to her kids. The final evidence the jury saw today included surveillance video showing Fravel driving Maddie's van in the direction of his parents' home and the remote area where her body was later found. Throughout testimony, Fravel's attorney worked to raise doubt about whether there was any abuse and pointed to the lack of physical evidence that Fravel was the killer. Tomorrow, the defense will call witnesses, and closing arguments are expected Monday morning. Lou Raguse, KARE 11 News.